Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a strawberry banana marble loaf. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to mash up the bananas a little bit. To the bananas we're going to add a half cup of sugar. Mashing that into there. Then we're going to add a half cup butter. We're going to make sure that we get that butter and the sugar fully incorporated into the banana, making a bit of a paste. Then to that we're going to add a quarter cup milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, give that a little bit of mix around, and then we're going to crack 2 eggs in there. Now we're going to blend that all up so it's nice and well combined. And then to that we're going to add half teaspoon salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're going to slowly add 1.5 cups of flour. Mixing as we go so we don't get any clumps. Our spoon here. Alright, now that that's fully mixed, we're going to set that aside and we're going to start on our strawberry batter. Alright, first up for the strawberry bread, we're going to take a half teaspoon of sugar and we're going to mix that with our 1 cup of strawberries right here. Just going to toss that around a little. That'll help the strawberries to sweat out and get their juices flowing. Alright, now while those are sitting there marinating that sugar, we're going to take our 1.5 cups of flour. We're going to add a cup of sugar. Get that mixed in there, incorporate it in. And to that we're going to add a half tablespoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon baking soda. Gonna mix that in there so it gets all incorporated with that flour. Set that aside for a moment. We're going to take our strawberries. We're going to crack in the 2 eggs. And our half cup of oil. We're going to mix that up so it gets all blended nice and evenly. And then we're going to add that to our flour mixture. We're going to fold that in so that all the flour gets incorporated into that oil mixture. Switch over to our spatula here. Now we're ready to go in the pan. Alright, now we got a lightly greased pan. We're gonna put a layer of banana bread at the bottom. Then we're going to do a layer of the strawberry bread on top of that. Another layer of banana bread. And finally topping it off with a layer of strawberry bread. Okay. Now it's going to go in the oven at 350 for 50 minutes. Alright, now that that's out of the oven and had time to cool, we're ready to cut it up and serve it. Just take off a slice right here. See those nice layers of banana and strawberry. And there we have our nice, beautiful strawberry banana loaf. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.